Hello guys, it's EAZY FOREX here. I'm taking a walk while my car, it's on the car wash. They are washing my car. I just decided to share some good knowledge regarding the future of NASDAQ happening round about now. A lot of people are very interested in the pair, but most of them do not know which direction the pair will go. So because I'm a genuine guy and I love you guys, I'll try and analyze the market with you, but I won't get into much detail, you understand, because remember, your entries and your exit are the most important stuff when trading. So I'll use my skill to analyze NASDAQ with you guys, and for those who already know how to analyze, then it's fine, but you can still watch because I'm going to predict what will happen in the next future regarding NASDAQ, nas100. So taking a walk because as I said, my screen is blank. Let's check. Let me get shaded somewhere. Yeah, cause I'm in the mall as we speak. I'm going to the mall to buy something. But as you are a forex trader, guys, you make money anywhere, every time. So NASDAQ, yesterday midnight, I analyzed that the market will move from this price. It was on 9,380. It was around that point, and I missed the trade. I missed to send a signal on my group. So what happened, I missed a very nice trade. As you can see, from here to here was going to be very profitable. However, if it happens that the trade don't go your way, you need to wait for a different setup. I'll analyze the market somewhere in the shadow because I'm holding the mall in about a minute. So guys, the advantage of trading, you can trade anywhere, anytime. You do not need anyone, any bank, any approval. All you need is a phone and an internet. That's why I always tell people that if it happens that they ask me what do I want in future, I'll only answer them and say I want a laptop and internet. That's my need, and at least $100 to start. Nothing much, less than 10,000 rand. I can start my trading career back to and make money like I did at first. So be patient, guys. I'm about to cross. I'm going to check us. I'm walking, guys. You see, is walking. But let's analyze. Okay, I'll be fast. NASDAQ is one of the pairs that reaches lots of highs in a short period of time, and each and every time NASDAQ makes new highs, whether you like it or not. Do you understand, guys? So let me what's happening now? Okay, let me turn my okay. I need a shadow. You see, guys, it's not yet clear. Yeah. Okay, the future of NASDAQ is here. let the master of forex. Hey guys, alcohol is it's open now. It's yash. Okay, I'll stand here. Okay, I think you can see right about now. We are focusing on the daily chart. There's no chairs here. Okay. As you can see, guys, I believe that NASDAQ is going to reach a high. Let me sit like a pantsula. The advantage of trading. So guys, NASDAQ, do not sell NASDAQ until 9751. So price is going to reach 9751 before the massive fall. Before the massive fall, price is going to reach 5751. Let me quickly change it to candlesticks, because most of you amateurs understand candlesticks. We are close. We are very close for the massive sell. So a signal from now, it's a buy. I think it's safe for you to buy until price reaches approximately 9751. Yeah, that's the best signal provided so far. As you can see, the pair is on correlation. There's no much movement. It's moving with small candles. No one knows the next move from now. Most traders are waiting for NASDAQ to tell them what to do. Do you understand? Let me try and put it. Okay. As you can see, guys, this is the massive signal from here. This high. Before you decide to sell NASDAQ, at least wait for it to reach, I said 9. It's what's the price again? It's 9751. If you are smart, you can just put what do you call, what can I say, a sell stop. Yeah, a sell stop on 9751. We do not use any indicators, guys. We do not use any indicators. That's what makes me different from other traders. However, let's do the shit. Let's sell it. But do not sell now, guys. The sell is coming. The massive sell is coming. For those who believe NASDAQ will keep on rising, yeah, it will rise. But before the rise, there will be a massive sell. Before NASDAQ reaches 10,000, the price 10,000, there will be a massive sell. I believe so. It's my view. If your opinion is different, then let's fight in the market. Let's not fight with the socials. I mean, let's fight with the market. The best way to fight as a forex trader is in the market, not physically. We only fight. Do not mind my nail, guys. But let's just hope. No. Oh. Yeah, guys. This is it. Before NASDAQ reaches 10,000 price, it never did. You see, in the history of NASDAQ, it never reached 10,000. As you can see, there was a massive sell here before. You see, there was a massive sell on 9,500. It was a massive sell. sharp. Asibonge. Share the video and let NASDAQ traders see. And if my analysis is wrong, you can comment it, you analyze. No one is perfect in the market. We are all learning each and every day. But however, money talks more than your opinion. Asibonge.